Bro, swear to God, no lie. No lie. Bro, the drone is, remember that place that we walked all over there back there one time?
Yeah.
I had to crash land it over there. I swear to God, bro. Yes. I swear to God, bro, I swear to God, Ozzy, you need to help me, bro. I swear to God. Bro, hey, I am destroyed right now. I swear to God, bro. I try to land it as close as possible that I can get. Bro, the wind. And I was like, bro, I was like, I put it home. And it didn't come fast enough. The wind was too much, bro. So I know it's not ruined. I'm gonna look now on the chart to see where it's at. I'm gonna look. No, I'm gonna be out there looking for it. Yeah. Bro, you need to help me, bro.
Just take your satellite phone so you can give me the coordinates and you go down.
Bro. Oh well. It's $1,000 drone, people. I have to tell my wife right now that this just happened after I spent another $500 on and this one was a gift. Ozzy. Bro, you're the only person that can get me out of this.
I can't work.
We went over there without nothing. Tomorrow. I wanted to be in the water too, but now I have to get the drone. No, bro. No, bro. Ozzy. Bro, you're my only hope, bro. All right. Fishing. Can't wait to go fishing. Fishing. Hold on, let me tell you. This thing is really kicking my arse. Just walking. You know the heat. I know. For those of like in 40-degree weather, sorry. That's how I feel right now. It's gonna be a challenge to find this, guys. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, but let me tell you something. If there's somebody that has a lot of will and determination, and somebody that doesn't give up, because I don't allow my kids to give up, or I don't allow any up. And as long as you still are breathing, you keep on fighting whatever tribulation you're going through. We're crazy, and that's why I kind of want to share these videos, because I know sometimes people think things are hard, and this for me is hard, and I know there's some of you that are going through some hard stuff. But look, you know what I'm saying? There's light at the end of the rainbow. I hope, I really do. So yeah, that was in the SD card that your dad lost being an idiot. That's why I'm out here. I'm tired. I gotta go. This is not easy. So far, I'm about half a mile in. It's a mission. Look at this. Oh my God. My third attempt. I'm gonna try to find this drum. I'm exhausted. I got plenty of water. Always have extra water. I got a camel pack, and I got 2 things of water with me, and I got some more water in the truck. I've been this. I remember I've told you guys I've walked the Appalachian Trail, and eventually I'll do another video on that. You can be without water. I'm sorry, without food, but you can't be without water. Don't ever go anywhere with without a knife. I personally have an EPIRB on me. I got also another knife here, so you guys can see. I got a nice knife here, and I also have a whistle. Since I'm out here alone, you know, I can. I have also a compass. I mean, look, I'm telling you guys these things because the last thing I want is so somebody think that this is easy, and if you're not prepared for something bad, you know. I got a compass. I got a little whistle. I have 2 whistles. I also have some flares in my backpack. God forbid I was, you know, I'd get stranded out here. But yeah, listen, we're gonna find this drone. If it's not today or tomorrow, if it's not today or tomorrow, but there's people buzzing around here. I hope they're not trying to look for me thinking I'm hurt. But guys, I'm out. I'm out for the count. I'm gonna wait a little while. I'm still getting beat up. Some people are looking at, if my wife sees this right here, she sees this and she sees that I'm lying down in this, she'll be like, you're crazy. You're absolutely filthy crazy. You know what you're gonna do. Never give up. I won't give up. My God, caballero. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you, 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 thank you. Thank you, Jesus Christ. Oh my God, thank you. Look at this, people. Oh my God, I want to cry right now. Literally, I want to cry. Because I asked I said, God, I need help. I need help. Look at this. Look where my GPS is marking me. Look at this. Look at that. It's telling me to go some more. I looked down and I said, oh man, God, please. Please, I need some help. I look down and look at this, people. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. A needle in a haystack. God. Guys, I mean, this is my third day. Man, it's scary as hell back here. Look at me, I'm all destroyed. My pants. See that? That's my drone and the backpack. You wouldn't believe what just happened. I'm walking through this and all of a sudden, call my wife. Yay, we found it. I have my other camera. Bro, please, this is, honestly, at this point I feel whatever. But my other camera with the Gorilla thing that I'm actually doing my vlogs with, GX7 or something like that, all of a sudden fell while I was walking in the mess. I'll take that loss. I'm not gonna go crazy. I am gonna go back to get it, but let me tell you, you can't script this, people. You can't make this thing up. You really can't. But whatever, we'll see. I got the GoPro hooked up to me, that's why that didn't fall. But the other one is kind of like more of a vlogging camera, and I got some stuff on it. But honestly, at this point, I don't care. People, it has footage on it. It does. That one does have footage on it. But at this point, I really don't care. So, I got my drone. Some of you guys saw the video that I put of the sandbar that I was with a couple friends of mine. And on that video, my wife was ranking on me. She was like, "Oh, he always loses his wallet, and all of a sudden, he thinks he's gonna find a drone in the middle of nowhere." And she was right. But you know what? I found it. I lost something else because that's just me. But I think these things happen to me because it's the only way I'm gonna get some exercise. We lost the other camera. Had footage of what I did here to get the drone. Actually, we had done it in 3 days. This is my third attempt. First night I came out with a couple friends at night, thinking that maybe I can go ahead and flash the lights on the drone. Didn't work. But second time, came by myself, nothing. I was in the area. Third time I brought the RC controller, got me a little closer to the point, which I was very close to it anyways. And then sure enough, I bowed my head and I said, please God, just give me a moment, please. Just help me. And man, honestly, it was like scripted. I was like put my head down. I was like, come on, man, I gotta get this. And then, really, bro? Really? Hold on a second. So I was telling you, I was like I was saying, I bowed my head and I said, God, please, I need a little help here. And my response was like, oh my God. I looked down, I looked at the phone, and I was like, oh my God, I'm really close. And when I looked down, it's right there embedded in between it. I think I have my GoPro on there. I gotta check the footage. But guys, let me tell you something. I was so thankful, and I thank the Lord Jesus Christ, seriously, because This is my third day here. This is like the second time me coming here alone, and it's look guys. This is my view to get it. And you know what? I lost the camera. Whatever. That had the footage of this debacle. I went back just now to find it, but I'm too tired. Maybe some other day. It doesn't really mean as much to me as the drone did. So it is what it is. I'm out one less camera. You know, it is what it is. Let's get out of here because I'm exhausted. Look at my pants. Look at my pants. Look at this. There is I guess some helicopters doing some routine flyovers and stuff like that. I'm like, man, I hope these people don't think I'm stranded or lost or something, you know. Because the last thing I wanted right when I was on the spot for them to be like, hey, let me throw a basket down, are you okay? I'm like, no, please, I need to get my drone, man. 3 days, I was 3 days sleeping thinking, yeah, last night I had a drone that I was flying the drone, and all of a sudden it was raining, and then I was like, oh, and then me and the drone I was flying the drone out of the rain. It was the weirdest thing, and I wasn't gonna come back my third day. I was like, no, that's it, I'm done, you know. I'm not gonna come back another third. And when I had that dream, I was like, man, one more shot, let me get this. The third's a charm, and third is a charm, people. Listen, I'm not gonna say like and subscribe, I'm not gonna say anything like that. I'm just gonna tell you, listen, when you think you're at the end and you're about to give up, you know what, try to push through it, because your blessing is right there. All right, don't forget that. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for letting me share some of these crazy experiences. On the way out, I'm gonna pick up some mess, because it looks like there's obviously other people that come in this area. So, you know, do the same thing. If you're somewhere and, you know what I'm saying, if you could pick up some garbage, some debris, pick it up, do it, you know. So it is what it is. Rip fishing for the win. Guys, thankful. Thank you. I'm out of here. Raise the flag. Yes. Dun, dun, dun.